Hi everyone, this is Billy. I've been to Osaka last week and I purchased some piezoelectric sound units for testing. And let me show you the test results in this video. So here are all the different type of piezoelectric buzzer I got from Osaka. This one is the one that I got a few years back and it's the best so far. So I put this kind of 3D printed earbud or tip that plays on over it and concentrate this power towards your inner ear. So this will be very important if you want to hear anything at all for your crystal radio. And this one is by far still the very best I got, very sensitive. Then the second best is this big one that I got from Osaka just last week, and it's just 50 yen, 50 Japanese yen only per unit. So after testing, I find it's still a little bit softer than this one, so it's second best. The third one is the third, fourth, and fifth. They are actually similar loudness, and this third one is like this. I forgot how much they are, but most likely they are between 50 Japanese yen to 160 Japanese yen. One of them is 160, the others are just 50 yen. So even though the one costing more, the loudness is similar. All three of them are similar. So it's not always that the more you pay, the best output you have with this piezoelectric sound unit. They are all similar. A little bit softer than this big one, but it's still usable for FM crystal radio. Of course, the best is still this one. Then the two that are very disappointing, this blue one, the sound quality is very bad and the loudness is only half of this one. As you can see, this is come with this soft rubber. It's not hard like that, so that's why that's the reason why its loudness is a bit worse. You need to have a very hard plastic to get the better sound. So this one I won't recommend, it's worst. Then I try to test if this type of piezoelectric sound unit that looks like a speaker will sound at all, but very unfortunately, very disappointed, it didn't sound at all. There's no sound at all. I can hear nothing when I connect it to the crystal radio. So don't be fooled by this type of piezoelectric speaker-like sound units. They won't work at all. So it's much better off to get this 3D printed tip or the tip of your ball pen, if you will, and just connect it using glue to the piezoelectric buzzer. This way it will work better. I will put a link to this 3D print file so you can download it free of charge from my site. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Billy. Talk to you soon.
代化作出貢獻。最有前途新人獎候選名單：出現范明希、
愛情觀自在第4集。
我已經一早放低佢，點解你仲孭住佢？哦，我而家明嘅呢。
有進步啊！